everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Delicious chicken drumsticks. They are done within 30 minutes. They're looking very juicy. They're fully cooked. And how to make it such a delicious chicken drumstick within 30 minutes? And best of all, in your air fryer oven, which is a countertop air fryer oven from OMMO. Let me show you today how to make it delicious chicken drumsticks. The ingredients we needed: chicken drumsticks. These are 2 bags. We'll cut them open. It's a 3.5 pound chicken. First thing we're going to do, we're going to wash it with the cold water. We're going to wash with cold water. This is the fresh chicken drumstick. Just wash it with cold water a couple times. Once it's washed, we'll pull these out. So this is good. 3 times we washed it, and this is perfect. Let it sit for 5 minutes so the water can drain out. We waited for 5 minutes. There's no more water. We're going to add spices. 1 teaspoon salt. Salt is always to taste, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon ginger powder. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Parsley flake, 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoon. Red chili flake, 1 teaspoon. And these are the only spices we're going to use. And we're going to use olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. And we're going to mix it well. You can use your hand and you can massage it with the hand, whatever you prefer. Just keep turning, keep tossing, so that all the spices are nicely coated. As you see, all the spices are nicely coated. Cover with the lid and let it sit for 10 minutes. It's a 10 minutes. Open the lid, mix it one more time. As you see, all the pieces are nicely coated. So now we'll place this one into air fryer oven. This has 2 trays. So we'll place drumsticks like this. Place this tray. We'll take the second tray out. So we have 14 chicken drumstick, 8 at the bottom, 8 at the bottom rack, and 6 on the top rack. You've seen chicken drumstick. I placed in 2 trays and we put it inside the air fryer oven. We're going to close it, and now we'll start it. This one has 8 preset settings, and we're going to start it. And as you can see, This one has all the settings are highlighted with the thumbnail. So we're going to press the chicken, and chicken is a 380 Fahrenheit, and it has set up the time for 20 minutes. So we're going to start it. So as we start it, and if we look at inside, turn the light on, we can see it. So after 20 minutes, we're going to come back and we're going to see how the chicken drumsticks are doing, and then we'll see how long we need to cook more. So we're going to cook it really well. We are done with the 20 minutes. I'll open it. And if we can pull the tray out, this is how the chicken drumsticks look. And this is one has 8 of these. Now we're going to place this on the top rack, and this one at the bottom. And this time we're going to do it, the chicken, same temperature, 380, but we'll do it for 10 minutes. And start it. As you see, we did it 20 minutes before and another 5 minutes, so 25 minutes. And if we look at inside, all the dripping, that going inside the tray at the bottom. So within half an hour, it will be well cooked. 1 more minute to go. Initially we cooked for 20 minutes. So basically after 20 minutes we swapped the trays and we kept it another 10 minutes. Now it's off. So it's all done. Now it's a good idea. Wait for 5 more minutes before we're going to pull the chicken drumsticks out. We waited for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. Look at this. Very delicious. Chicken drumstick. As you've seen it. It took us 30 minutes. They are fully done. That's how it's easy to make a chicken drumstick in air fryer, oven, which is a countertop. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So within half an hour, the chicken drumsticks are fully done. We just shifted the tray. That's basically what we did. Look at these, delicious chicken drumstick.